Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making a Eton mess. I'm going to add egg whites to my bowl and whisk them until they form soft peaks. Now they have formed peaks, I'm going to add my 250 grams of caster sugar, a tablespoon at a time. I'm now going to whisk in a teaspoon of cornflour, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a teaspoon of white wine vinegar. On my tray I have a piece of greaseproof paper. I have used a dinner plate to mark the circumference of a circle. I'm now going to take my meringue and spread it inside the circle. I'm now going to bake for 1 hour in the oven and then let it cool completely inside. I'm now going to blend a third of my strawberries until it makes a sauce. In my bowl I'm going to whisk together double cream and a tablespoon of icing sugar. I'm now going to add my chopped strawberries and 3/4 of crushed up meringue. I'm now going to swirl in my strawberry sauce. Mix half of my strawberries in. I'm now going to take a dollop and place it in the jars. And finally, over the top, I'm going to sprinkle some more meringue. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.